Hey everyone, this is Alp Actins here, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at KINETIQ. Welcome back to our final video for our KINETIQ Foresight for Finance Financial Planning series, where we're talking all about Dynamics Business Performance Planning and how your team can leverage this solution to be able to do P&L reporting after completing all of your budget and forecast modules in here. What you're seeing on my screen right here is essentially giving you an overview of how exactly the workflow looks like for your P&L reporting setup. We want to make sure that your team has the ability to control when your modules for OpEx planning, workforce planning, CapEx planning, and revenue planning are completed so that you can finalize your profit and loss statement for reporting when it comes to your budget and forecast. On here, mechanically how we're doing it is we're utilizing the BPP visual you're seeing right here to be able to make a submission, run it through an approval process, and then use data flows to be able to combine our different modules, in this case workforce, CapEx, OpEx, and revenue planning, to formulate our P&L report. This then allows us to use Power BI for reporting and slicing and dicing of data. What I want to show you is exactly how you could be doing this for your organization right here. When it comes to reporting, reporting is awesome when you can see what exactly is happening from a quantitative standpoint. But in addition to that, we also want to give you the ability to be able to show exactly from a commentary standpoint what exactly happened. So as an example right here, I can show, for example, that my actuals versus my current scenario, my base scenario, which is forecast, why exactly we have a difference right here. So by applying comments, I can show exactly what is happening and have these conversations with my team members during the ongoing conversations I'm having with them during the forecasting process. This means that they're going to be able to see exactly not only what the numbers look like, but also the reasoning behind why the numbers are what they are. And what you can see right here in real time is that our commentary has now updated to reflect our new comment values that we have just placed. In addition to this, we're also going to have the option to be able to do scenario comparisons. We can compare a base scenario as well as a compare scenario based on our choices right here. We can see right now that we're comparing our base scenario and our compare scenario, which are the forecast and the what if scenarios, to see exactly what our different impacts look like across the board. What you're also seeing here are custom rows that can be created without using any Power BI DAX formulas right here to showcase your gross profit, operating profit, net profit metrics in memory within the actual BPP reporting visual that you're looking at here. Again, with IBCS principles right here being applied where you can see variance and various impacts in a formatted way that is great for financial reporting, you're going to be able to see exactly where that impact is happening. And last but not least is structured flexibility. The option to be able to give your end users the ability to be able to compare any sort of scenario that they want. So for example, I can compare my actuals as well as my last year by business unit by simply going ahead and using parameter slicers right here. So you can see that my actuals in last year are now being shown. And what we can also see right here is that we're able to see this by business unit as well to show exactly what the financial impact looks like across the board. These are many different ways that you could apply reporting and self-service BI work to your team right here for financial reporting. So we hope you enjoyed this series right here. Thank you, and this is Alp signing out.